In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on a QuickBooks invoice. If you need to make sure tax is being applied correctly to an invoice in QuickBooks, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to the menu on the left-hand side of QuickBooks and click on Sales. From there, select Invoices. This will take you to the area where you can view your existing invoices and manage them. Next, open the invoice that you want to update. Once the invoice is open, click Edit Invoice so you can make changes. This is the section where you'll be able to adjust the invoice details, including whether tax should be applied to the items listed. Now look for the Product or Service section of the invoice. This is where each item, service, or charge appears. In this area, you should check the tax box for the line item that needs tax added. This tells QuickBooks that the product or service is taxable. After that, move to the tax column or drop-down menu for that item. Here, choose the correct tax rate that applies. It's important to select the right rate based on the type of sale and your local tax requirements, since that will determine the amount QuickBooks calculates on the invoice. If you have more than one taxable item, make sure you review each line carefully so the correct tax setting is applied where needed. Once everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks will update the invoice and apply the tax based on the rate you selected. And that's it. That's how you add tax to a QuickBooks invoice. If you're reviewing invoices before sending them out, it's always a good idea to double-check the taxable items and the selected rate to avoid mistakes. Even a small mismatch in the tax setting can affect the final total, so taking a few extra seconds to confirm everything is correct can save time later. Now you know exactly where to go, what to edit, and how to apply the right tax rate on your invoice in QuickBooks.